Hey guys, welcome to Pop Rocks. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime with nothing really, just one ingredient. So here we go. This is how it's going to turn out. Turn out pretty good. You could hold it in your hands. And it's really good. And now this one is a plain color. It's not colored, but this one I'm going to make is going to be colored. So, what you're going to need is something to mix in and something to mix with. You're going to need only this soap. It can't be anything except this. If you use it with anything else, it's not going to work. It needs to be this. It's not going to work any other way. So if you don't have that, it's not going to work. You don't need salt or anything. And then if you want to make it colored, food coloring or paint or anything. First in your bowl, you're going to add the amount of how much you have is basically the amount of slime you'll have. I added a bit in there. Next, I'm just mixing it for no reason. As you can see, it is already in such a slimy condition. This soap is already in such a slimy condition. It just sticks. So to make it not stick, we're going to need to put it in the freezer. If you don't want color, you could just skip to the other part. But I'm going to go ahead and put color in. Don't worry if it gets liquidy. If it gets a lot liquidy, you just add more. But if it gets a bit liquidy, all you need to do is just put it in the freezer. Here's mine. I'm going to add a bit more soap. Okay, you mix that in. I have a good mixture here. And now you're going to put this in the refrigerator to 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how much soap you have. And I'll be back. So I took it out. And here it is. And I'm going to mix. Here it is. I may have to add a bit more. It feels so good. I don't think I need. To hold it, I think it's gonna need more. So I'm gonna put it for a bit more. Put it for a bit more, and I'll be back. So I took it out, and here we go. It's got the most satisfying slime I've ever touched. It feels just so good. I hope you try it. Just a great way to make slime. Without glue, without borax, without laundry detergent. Contact solution. And there you go. You've got slime of your own. It's colored. Here's this other try. I think the smaller it is, the better it is. Here's this other try I did, testing it out if it worked. And of course it did, because then I wouldn't be doing this video. But got the slime right there. I'll put it on me. See that you could put it on your hand. Wait. Here you go. It's the satisfying touch of it. It's really satisfying. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!